One red apple, juicy and sweet. I pick it up, what a yummy treat. Two bananas, yellow and long. Peel and eat, come sing along. Let's count the fruits, 1 to 10. Sing it loud and start again. Fruits are fun, come join the play. Count with us the fruity way. Three grapes in a bunch so round, purple and yummy without a sound. 4 oranges rolling on the floor, pick them up, now there are more. 5 strawberries, red and small, I like to share them with you all. 6 pineapples, spiky and tall, juicy inside, we love them all. Let's count the fruits, 1 to 10. Sing it loud and start again. Fruits are fun, come join the play. Count with us the fruity way. 7 watermelons, big and round, crunchy red slices all around. 8 mangoes, yellow and sweet. What a tasty treat. 9 cherries, shiny and bright, eat them all, what a delight. 10 green pears, soft and cool, counting fruits is really cool. We counted fruits, 1 to 10. Let's clap and count it once again. Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun. Counting with fruits is number 1.